Alright guys, Coach Viala here to give a quick tutorial on how to write a linear equation from a graph. First thing we want to remember, to write a linear equation, we need to remember what that is. A linear equation, or at least the slope-intercept form, is y equals mx plus b. We have to remember m is our slope, and b is the y-intercept. With a graph, that's the easiest thing to identify. You want to identify where our line is crossing the y-axis. So if I were to highlight my y-axis, we would notice that right about there is where our line's crossing the y-axis. That point's going to be positive 3. So we're going to make a note and say that b is equal to positive 3. Now, if you remember from last week's lesson on how to identify or how to calculate slope, we use the slope formula. My slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The instructions for last week said that we had to identify 2 points. So let's go ahead and identify one point right here. There's one lattice point we could use. Let's change colors, make it a little darker there. There's one point we could use there, and there's another point we could use there. Remember, the idea is you want the lattice. Where is it crossing a grid? Because we know exactly what that is. So we're going to identify this one as -4, +5. So -4, comma 5. Then over here is going to be +4, +1. All right, this is my x1, y1, x2, y2. We're going to take them over and plug them in right here. Boom. All right, so real quick, we have our y2 is 1, and my y1 is 5. So we're going to have 1 minus 5 there. Next one, I have x2 as 4, and x1 as -4. Just like last week, I want to encourage you to plug this into the calculator top first. 1 minus 5 is going to give us a -4. 4 minus a -4 gives us a +8. This simplifies down to a -1/2. Okay, this is going to be our slope, our m. So m is equal to -1/2. Notice, guys, we know it's a negative slope because it's already going down to the right. We know that already. So now let's plug these into our formula. Y equals m is going to be our -1/2. X plus our y-intercept of 3. All right, guys, there it is. That's how you write a linear equation in slope-intercept form from a graph. Hope that helps.